everyone, I welcome you all in a brand new video. So this video is all about the real pressure which we are facing to perform a good marks. उसके लिए मेरे पास एक solution है. I also face this problem, but after taking the advice of my seniors, I came across this book from Oswald, especially for class 11th. If you are in class 11 like me, and I know the jump from class 10 to 11 is huge, but don't worry cause I'm here to save you. Listen, अभी जो समय है वो एग्जैक्ट राइट टाइम है कि हम क्वेश्चन बैंक परचेज़ करें और उसे प्रैक्टिस करें, क्योंकि जितना हम क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही हमारा चैप्टर पे कमांड होगा. सो इन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आई डिसाइडेड टू चूज़ ओसवाल बुक फॉर माई क्लास 11 एग्ज़ाम प्रेप. So I get them up in my subjects, which are physics, chemistry, maths and English. So let me give you a honest review of this book, which I bought from the website of Oswal, and I will also mention it in the description and comment. So let's get started with the review of this book. First thing first, the book already mentioned how to use it. If you are very new to this book, you can read and know about how to use this book. Secondly, they already mention about our syllabus. The current syllabus which is given by the CBSE has already mentioned in this book. एंड जैसे हमारा पेपर बनेगा वो भी ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है कि कितना वेटेज रहेगा कौन से पोर्शन का, ये सब ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है. और दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग कि आपको अपना सिलेबस का सारा आइडिया रहेगा, पेपर डिज़ाइनिंग का सारा आइडिया रहेगा. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस बुक इज़ दिस वन, daily planner, which contain to-do list, goal for the day, schedule of today. If you want to write some important things, they have the note corner which you can use to write important formulas, important things and all. And there you go with your first chapter. And the best part is each and every chapter had its own mind map. This is the best thing which you can use a day before your exam. They already provide us the common made errors which we can make to rectify them. The answer tips, key fact to be known about this chapter, some mnemonics which are very important. The lengthy things become so easy if you have mnemonics of your own, and they already provide us, so we don't have to worry about any mnemonics. The best thing is they already provide us very short type question, long type question, which occupies their own marks like 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, even 5 marks. They already classified them for us. क्योंकि जब हम क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हमें पता रहना चाहिए कि वो क्वेश्चन का मार्क्स कितना है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम आंसर सॉल्व करके उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल. सो इन दिस बुक क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छे वाले हैं. कुछ क्वेश्चन हार्ड है, कुछ क्वेश्चन ईजी है, कुछ क्वेश्चन मॉडरेट है. सो ओवरऑल द डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल इज़ वेरी गुड. This book provides us NCERT corner, NCERT exemplar corner, some important question, objective type question, competency based question, case based questions. इतने सारे types of question हमें इस book में मिलते हैं. That's the best thing about this book. I made a special copy for this book, like a separate copy to practice all the questions given in this book, क्योंकि मैं अपना और टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि अभी पूरा 1 महीना हो चुका है क्लास 11 स्टार्ट किए हुए. सो हियर आई एम डूइंग फिज़िक्स चैप्टर 1 न्यूमेरिकल्स, जो इस बुक में गिवन है. और मैं शॉर्ट टाइप आंसर कर रही हूँ क्योंकि वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप बहुत इजी थे, तो वो मैंने ऑलरेडी कर लिए, तो मैं यहाँ पे शॉर्ट टाइप कर रही हूँ. So that's it about this video. If you want to know more about this book, I will provide you a link in the description box so that you can check out and know more about this book.